Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. How are you? How did you start your day? Welcome back to Anil Nair classes. This is Ramya, your mentor for arithmetic and reasoning. Yes? So, yes, how are you? How did you start your day? Good? Happy? Excited? Energetic? So, first confirm me with the voice. Okay, is the voice clear? Everything fine? Any technical issues? Any kind of issues? Let me know. If there is nothing, we'll proceed further. Okay. Are you all preparing? Huh? Are you all prepared? How many of yes exam? How many of done? So audio and video is clear. Fine. Yes. So tell me how many of you are giving RRB examinations? No. Chandu. Hello. Good morning, Chandu. Right? So where are we? What are we doing? We are dealing with puzzles, right? Yes, I told you we have how many kinds of puzzles? How many kinds of puzzles? Approximately 13 types of puzzles. In case if the examiner wants to check your ability, they might extend the combination of puzzles. Yes, but still basic there are 13 types of puzzles. Yes, right? Oh, you are writing 10th class examinations. Nice, very good. How are you writing your exams? Chalo. So, when we talk about puzzles, as I have told you, you have to use, you have to bring out that raw data or, unorganized data into a sequence, yes, to solve the problems, right? Right? Yes. To the maximum, you can invest 3 minutes of time for that, to the maximum, right? So, before entering into the session, yes, we have an announcement to all of you. As I already told you, there is a special offer which is running, okay, and this offer is valid till 6 months. What all we have got in this offer? Any individual course you take, whether it is pure maths, whether it is arithmetic, whether it is reasoning, English or general studies, any individual course you take, that will be for 999 only, right? Yes, so if you really wanted to comment, right? See, for those students who are preparing for UPSC examination, for them, this is a special module where your CSAT preparation will be complete. Okay, we all know that CSAT is very important, right? So, your CSAT preparation will be complete with this module. You will be having all PYQ. Started. Students who give set meditations, yes, we have a special courses designed for all of those. SIPC, constable examinations, right? So, for all of those, we have a special courses designed for you, right? In case if you want further details regarding this, yes, all the details will be available in the link which is given in the description or in the comment section. Yes. So, once go and check out the app. If you can download the app, from there you will be able to get many number of course details and many types of offers available with Anil Nair classes, right? Yes. And also if you are liking this session, click on that like button, share it to your friends, ask them to join this live, yes, and subscribe to Anil Nair classes. Done? Yes. So yes, there is something here. One moment. Is it 10th class revision? No, Machendu, this is not 10th class revision. Okay. This is puzzles. Right? So, go and start your preparation for 10th class. Which exam is there? Chalo. So, yesterday we have completed different models of puzzles. What are those? Floor based we did, yes, and then day based, month based, right? Month based, day and month based we have completed. Next, floor based we have completed, yes. Rest? Any other? Chalo, fine. So, we will see floor and flat based puzzles, okay, some other models in this session, yes. So, we will start off the session, yes. Let us see the first question. So, there is nothing much to explain about it, as I have already explained that what all the types of puzzles will be there. What very important point which you have to remember here, okay, very important point, I will write it here, okay. Whenever they say there are 2 persons or there are 2 seats or there are 2 places between A and B, if they say there are 2 persons, 2 seats or 2 places between A and B, then we will denote these 2 positions. We will mark them like this: A, 2 positions, then B. But if they say B is 2 places, I will write B is 2 places away from A, okay, away from A. In such case, how we are going to write? A, 2 places B. Why? A's place also we will consider, okay. A's place will be first place, this place will be second place. So, B is 2 places away from A, we will denote this way. This is very important point to remember while you are attempting the questions, okay, because if you get confused, what happens is you will mark something else, okay, right. So, this is very important point which you have to remember, okay, right. So, now putting this in mind, let us try to solve it. Excuse me, okay, chalo. See this question, read out this question, try to answer it from your end, okay. There are 8 people, K, R, T, U, P, S, M and J. They live in 2 flats, 8 people living in 2 flats, flat A and B, okay. There are 4 floors and each of the floors has 2 flats. What information can we get? We have 4 floors. Each floor is having 2 flats, okay. If you see flat A and flat B, okay, 2 flats, what? Flat A and flat B, such that flat A is west of flat B, flat A is west of flat B. So, if B is here, A is here, yes, no? You all know the directions, yes. So, flat A is west of flat B, okay, fine. Next, flat A of floor 1 is just below flat A of floor 2. Similarly, flat B of floor 2 is just above flat B of floor 1. What does this mean? Let us take okay, large tip eraser. Why it is large tip? Give me a moment, ma. Let me see. Okay. Fine. Now is it working? Right. Okay. So, which color? This color. This color, please. Alright. One moment. Chalo. See. Now, if you observe, we have 4 floors, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how they are telling. They said that flat B of floor 2 is just above flat B of floor 1. So, if floor 1 is here, floor 2 is here, right? Yes. So, this is how the floors are arranged. Okay. Yes. And what they said, coming back to this point, flat A is west of flat B. Flat A is west of flat B, right? Right? Yes. So, now let us start reading. Read everything first. K lives on the top floor of same flat as T. K lives on the top floor as same flat as T. Okay. So, K is living on top floor means 4th floor. Yes, K lives on 4th floor. It is living on same flat as T. Right now, we don't know which flat T is. If T is in first flat, see, if T is in first flat, then K will be also in first flat. If T is in second flat, K will also be in second flat, right? Okay. We don't know which flat, right now we don't know which flat T is. Okay. Next, J lives to the east of M on same floor, okay, but not at bottommost floor. So, next point is J lives to the east of M. Yes, J lives to the east of M or west of M. J lives to the east of M. J is living to the east of M and these both live in same floor. These both live in same floor. But they are not living in first floor. They are not living in first floor. Yes. So what does this mean? They might be living in second floor or third floor. Because in 4th floor already K is there. There are only 2 flats. So, I can't accommodate M and J in 4th floor. So, they might be in 2nd floor or 3rd floor. Okay. Next. S lives on the same floor as U, who lives in the same flat immediately above R. Now, if you see, S is living on same floor. S is living on same floor as U. Maybe this way. They did not tell in which direction they are. Or S is living on same floor as U. I can take like this also. Maybe this way or that way. We don't know which direction S is, right? And U is living immediately above which person? R. They are saying U is living immediately above R. Here also U is living immediately above R, right? Yes. Any other point, ma? U lives in the same flat immediately above R, right? Okay. T lives on the first floor of flat B. T is living on the first floor of flat B. So, we got T's position. First floor of flat B, right? T position is fixed, no? Now, let us try to arrange. T, put T in first floor, flat B. So, T will come here. When T is coming here, where I can mark K, ma? K also will be on flat B only. K also will be on flat B only because they have clearly mentioned it. So, K also I can take here, right? Right. Now, if you observe, check this. These three, they are in L shape. So, I have to arrange them in L shape, okay? Where I can take this, ma? K is there above. But R I cannot take besides K because R is below U. R is below U, right? So, where I can take? Again, I have to accommodate M and J also in one floor. Yes, M and J I have to accommodate in one floor. S and U I have to accommodate in one floor. And R also should be coming in another floor of them, right? So, if you observe carefully, I think I can take R here. If I take R here, I can take this condition where I can take U and S. Yes, U and S are in same floor only, right? So, R is immediately below U or U is immediately above R in the same flat. Yes, the condition is satisfied. Next, M and J. Finally, this position is occupied, this position is occupied. Here there is only one vacant place. So, where I can take M and J? Where I can put M and J? Can I put M and J in third floor? Third, so remaining I can take P here. Yes, right. So, this will be our final arrangement. This will be our final arrangement. Any doubts? All good? Let us once cross check, okay. In case if you have got any doubts, that also will be cleared off. See, they say K lives on the top floor of the same flat as T. K is living on top floor as same flat as T. Yes, T is living in flat B, K is also living in flat B, right. Next, J lives to east of M on same floor but not at the bottommost floor. J lives to east of M. J is living to east of M, right. Yes, and they are not living in the bottommost floor, right. Next, yes, S lives on the same floor as U, who lives in the same flat immediately above R. S lives on the same floor as you. See, S is living on the same floor as you, who lives immediately above the same flat as R. Immediately above R, same flat. Yes, R is flat A, U is also flat A. That's all. So, all positions are fixed. Who is there? T's position they have clearly mentioned. T lives on the first floor of flat B. T is living on first floor of flat B. So, who is remaining? P is remaining. So, remaining vacant place I put P there. Yes, right. Okay. Any doubts? Right. If there are no doubts, we will proceed further. Yes. Chalo. Let us see the first question. Question number 61. Okay. See, this is a continuation of the series, right? That is why this question is question number 60. A living, no, who top floor is fourth floor, flat A, who is there? P is there, right? So, which option ma? Option E. Option E, P is the correct answer. What is happening? Seriously? Okay. Option E, P is the correct answer. Let me once check what is happening with this. Small tip. Yes, I have selected small tip only, no? Aries with large tip, no. Okay. Let us see what's happening. Fine. Anyways, who lives on the top floor of flat A ma? E. No, P is living on top floor of flat A. Option E. Option E is the correct answer. Fine. Seriously. Okay. Just give me a moment. I'll try to. Okay. Fine. Small tip. No. This is not selecting. Okay. Let's do this way. Okay. Let's do this way. Fine. So, E is the correct answer. Let's go for the next question, ma. Fine. how many floors are there between the one who lives at the bottommost floor of flat A and you? How many floors are there between A, okay, between R and U? How many floors are there asking? They are asking how many floors they are asking. Yes, see, bottommost floor of flat A, who is there? Bottommost floor of flat A, R is there. Between R and U, how many flats, how many floors are there? 0. There are no floors. This both are immediate to each other. So, no floor will be the correct answer. No floor will be the correct answer. There is no floor, right? Right? Yes. Next one, ma. Who lives on same floor as the one who lives immediately below K? Who is living on same floor as the one who lives immediately below K? Now, first of all, who is living immediately below K? It is excuse me, I didn't select anything, pen only. What's happening with this? Right, fine, this is K, okay. First of all, immediately below K, who is there, ma? It is J. Who is living along with J? That is the question. Yes, no? Who is living along with J? Who lives on same floor as the one who lives immediately below K? Who is living along with J? M. So, which option, ma? Option B, M is the correct answer. Option B, M is the correct answer, right? Yes? Okay. Next. Fine. Next question. Who lives on the bottommost floor? Who is living on bottommost floor? Living on. So, in the options what we have? We don't have T, but we have R. So, R is living on the bottommost floor. R is living on the bottommost floor, right? Yes, ma'am. Next. How many people live below J in total? How many people are living below J in total? How many people are there below J? Below J, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people are there below J in total, right? Right? How many people? Option A. Option A, 4 people will be the correct answer. Option A, 4 people will be the correct answer, right? Okay, fine. Let's see. Clear, ma? Have you got any doubts? So, shall we go for the next question then? Okay, let's go for the next question. See this question. Okay. Read this. 8 persons are there. Who are they? A, D, H, M, N, P, R and S. Okay. They live in a building of 4 floors. Okay. 4 floors, 2 flats. What are those flats? Flat 1 and flat 2. Again, flat 1 and flat 2. Fine. Flat 1 is to the west of flat 2 and flat 1 of floor 1 is immediately below flat 1 of floor 2. See, flat 1 of floor 1 immediately below flat 2's floor 1. That's what they are telling. Okay. And flat 1 is to the west of flat 2. So, let us take this. Let us take this. So, floors first, second, third, fourth. This is how the floors are. Right? And flat 1 is here, flat 2 is here. Yes, na? Flat 1, yes, flat 1 is here, flat 1 is here, flat 2 is here. Cool? Right? Now, read this completely, okay. P lives 3 floors above D but in different flats. P is living 3 floors above D but in different flats. Okay. So, P is living 3 floors above D. 1, 2, 3. This is what I told you, no? 3 floors above D. So, P is living 3 floors above D. What does this mean? P will come in 4th floor. D will come in 1st floor. Yes, no? P comes in 4th floor, D comes in 1st floor. And point to be noted here is, if D is in one flat, P will be in another flat. That means, if D is in 1st flat, P will be in flat 2. If D is in flat 2, P will be in flat 1. Yes, that is a condition. Right. Next, N lives immediately above R in the same flat. N is living immediately above R. Next condition is, N lives immediately above R in same flat. Yes, so I can write it like this. Next, A lives above M but not immediately above the floor. A is living above M but not immediately above floor. So, what does that mean? A is living above M, okay, not immediately. That means there might be one floor between them or there might be 2 floors between them. There is no clarity. They just said that A lives above M but not immediately above. Okay. Alright. Next. R lives to the west of M. R is living west of M. So R and M. Now, I will take here. Okay. R lives to the west of M. So, if M is here, R is here. Right. And N is here. Yes, no? Because N is immediately above R, right. This is one arrangement which we have got, okay. We can arrange from here. H lives above S. Who does not live to the east of D? From here we can get a point. H is living above S, okay. I will write it here. H is living above S. It does not mean immediately above, but above, somewhere above S only H is there. Yes, and S does not live to the east of D. S is not living to the east side of D. That means, can I take D to the east of S? See, they have mentioned that S is not east side of D. So, can I take D to the west of S? Sorry, D to the east of S, right? So, D anyhow it is in 1st floor only and S is towards the west of D. So, can I take D here, S here? Possibility. D is in 1st floor. They mentioned that S is not staying to the east of D. When S is not towards the east of D, I can take S to the west side of D. That is what I have done. I have taken S to the west side of D. Right? Right? Now, when D is in flat 2 of 1st floor, then coming back to this condition, P will be in which flat, ma? P will be in flat 1 of 4th floor. Yes, they mentioned that there are, D is 3 flats away from P. So, when D is in 1st floor, P will be in 4th floor. And when D is in flat 2, P will be in flat 1. I already told you this. When D is in flat 1, P will be in flat 2. So, now when D is in flat 2, P will be in flat 1. Yes. Now, if you see, coming back to this point, NRM, where I can arrange NRM? Can I take here, already P is fixed. This side, not this L, we need this L. NRM I can't take, NRM I can take, yes. So, N I can take here, R I can take here, M I can take here, right, right, yes. Now, again coming back to this point, A is above M, A is above M, but not immediate floor, yes, A is above M, but not in the immediate floor. So, A I can't, see I can't take here because it is not in the immediate floor. So, can I take A here? I can take A there, yes. What is one vacancy? We have one vacancy, and they have also clearly mentioned that yes is below H or H is above yes. So, yes is here, H is above yes, right, right. All the positions are fixed, yes. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma'am? Chalo. Let's once cross check. See, P lives 3 floors above D but in different flats. P is living 3 floors above D, 3 floors above D but in different flats. Yes, no, they are in different flats. P is in flat 1, D is in flat 2. Okay. Next, N lives immediately above R in the same flat. N lives immediately above R in the same flat. N is living immediately above R and in the same flat. Yes, right. A lives above M but not immediately above the floor. A is living above M only but not immediately above. So, there is one person between them, right. Floor wise I am telling, okay, floor same flat wise. Next, R lives to the west of M. R is living to the west of M. R is living to the west of M, yes. Next, H lives above S. Who does not live to the east of D? So, S is not living to the east of D. So, S is living to the west of D and H is above S, right, right. Now shall we answer the questions? Huh? See this question. Who lives on the same floor as A? Who is living on the same floor as A, ma? Who is living on same floor as A? It is P, right? It will be P. Option D, P is the correct answer, right. Next, chalo. Who lives 2 floors above yes in the same flat? Who is living 2 floors above yes in the same flat? If you see, yes is here. 2 floors above yes. Who is there, ma? 2 floors above yes. If you see, it is N. Same flat, no? Same flat only we have to figure out. Who is living 2 floors above yes? Who lives 2 floors above yes in the same flat? It is N. So, option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer, right? Yes. Veerish, right? Veerish. Why I am taking yes in the first floor? Okay. See, point to be noted here is very important. You observe this, ma. You observe this, okay? R, M is there in one floor. N is above R. For example, if I take yes here, if I am taking yes here, I will take the pen. N, R, yes, P is in 4th floor, D is in 1st floor. That is clear, no? That is clear, okay. N, R, M position is clear. If I take yes here, it becomes east side of D only, no? It becomes east side only. They mentioned that here in the question, they clearly mentioned that H lives above yes, okay. This point you have to clearly observe. H lives above yes, okay. Who does not live to the east of D? Who is not living to the east of D? Who is who? I told you about this point also. Who will refer to the immediate person. So, they mentioned that yes is not living to the east, okay, east of D. We all know the directions. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. So, when S is not living to the east of D, I can take S to the west of D. I can take S to the west of D. We don't have any other values, no? Yes. So, I am taking S to the west of D. Clear? And we all know that D is in first floor. From this point, we all know that D is in first floor. I took S to the west of D. Obviously, S will come besides D only, no? Yes? Clear? Clear? Confirm me if it is clear or not. Did you understand this? Did you understand this explanation? Why I have taken yes in the first floor? Done. Okay. Chalo. So, we are solving the answers. Where is the answer? Sorry, where is the question? 67. 67 clear, no? We got D, N, okay. Who is living 2 floors above S in the same flat? It is N. Next, A. At times this is not working, man. Okay, fine. Which of the following pairs is correct? Which of the following pairs is correct? You tell me which of the following pairs is correct. I will take that, floors and flats here, okay. PANHRMSD. Okay. Now, which of the following pairs or A is there? The pair. So, A is not the correct answer. Next. Two so flat. So, 2 flat 1 R. Or there one. So, our answer is option C. Number. Hey, waste of using this remote. Who is called bachelor living along with the D. Or A. Fine. So, now they are asking who lives on the same flat. Okay. So, answer. Okay. Yes. In the P floor from here, first, second, third. Yes, who is living 3 floors below P in the same flat? R is So which are who consider free, you should not consider that way. You have to consider second is right. Okay, water being hydrated. Important of the okay, whatever. Now let's see this first question. Okay, ma, any doubts you have till now? No? Is posted. Okay, A, B, C, D. F order. Fine. One moment. Box is third and the ends. Okay. Box A is placed at to place box B is placed above box C, which is not placed at boxes and boxes. Arranging them in positions. No, 1, 2, 3. Okay. If box F is placed third from A box, another from top end. Yes. So another possibility is from below also. Yes. Third and first thing from second doing puzzles, you have to check for all possible conditions. Some that happen end of it in any other box. Okay. So you have to check for all possibilities. F is coming from above, third position. Second possibility, F is coming from below, third position. Just boxes are see, box A is adjacent to box A. May adjust box C and D. Three boxes between A and D. 1, 2, 3. maybe arrange. Take 2, 3, I can take D here. It is possible. If I am below first position, so this is fixed. See, D I can take, D can come here. Getting my point? Boxes placed below box G. Number of boxes placed above box that above box. What they are saying? Minimum, how many boxes are there? Those boxes are that number of boxes 2 and number of boxes placed below box G. Yes, and means I can take C. If below box D there are 3, above box D 2 more, no? Above box D 2 more, 5. This should be condition. Above take 3 can do 3. Above box D, above there is only 1. How I can take G in this condition? There should be at least box D. Yes, box least. So that below box G I can take no one. Yes, but there is no position like that. There is only one box. So this is not the possible scenario which we will get. So this will be our final conclusion. B below box, so point is above box C. Above in this case is not immediately above, maybe somewhere, but above only. So box is above box C, and box C is not placed below box D. That means box D should come below box C only. B or C, not take box C, so I can take box B here. Who is remaining? E is remaining, right? So E I will take. Remaining one person is. Yes, doubts? Did you understand? Are you able to understand? So let's once cross check. E conclusion the one which we need. Okay. Where from box F, box A is placed adjacent to box F, box F, right? Next, 3 boxes are placed between box A and D. 3 boxes between A and D. A, 1, 2, 3 boxes they said. 1, 2, 3 boxes D. Yes. Number of boxes placed above box D is 2 more than number of boxes placed below box G. Number of boxes box D, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then number of boxes above box D is 5. Then how many boxes should be there below box G? 3. Yes. So box G 1, 2, 3. Yes. Next. Box B is placed above box C, which is not placed below box D. Box B placed above box C. Okay. C is not below box D. So C is above box D only. Right? Yes. And finally, who is remaining? E is remaining. E I put in the first place. Right? Yes. Issues? Doubts? Chalo. Let's start. See the question. Okay. Read this question, ma. Which of the following statement is false? Which of the following statements is false? Always remember, you have to read the question, whether they are asking, positive statement or a negative statement, you have to remember that. Okay. Here they have mentioned that you have to find which statement is false. Okay. So, box E is not placed at the bottom. Box E is not placed at the bottom. Box E is placed at the bottom, no? Box E is placed at the bottom, but they are saying box E is not placed at the bottom. So, obviously this is the false statement. So, then this will be our answer, because they are asking false statement. This will be our answer, right? Okay. Next, box G is placed immediately above box C. Let us see. Box G placed immediately above box C. Box C, okay. What they say? Box G placed immediately above. Box G is placed immediately above box C. So, that is a true statement. This is a true statement. But we need a false statement. So, this is not our answer. You are getting it? Yes.